Welcome. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to set up your Mailchimp account so that you can later use it to connect to your WordPress site. The first thing you need to do is head on over to Mailchimp.com, and once you're there, you're going to look for the sign up free button, which is located in the upper right hand corner of the website. You'll click on that, and that will bring you to this page. Get started with your account, and you'll need an email, a username, and a password. Once you have those three things in place, you can then click on the Get Started button in the lower middle part of the page, and it will bring you to the page where it tells you to go check your email. If you give it a couple minutes, let's refresh this, you'll see that you'll get your email from the Mailchimp account. You click into that. Here's the email to activate the account. You click on that. Click on I'm Not a Robot. And the first thing that you have to do is pick your plan. Choose the free one, which is already highlighted. It gets billed monthly, free, so you pay no dollars, and you get 2,000 contacts on this plan, which is great. And you also get 10,000 emails that you can send out every month. So click complete, and this is where it starts asking you personal information and information about your company. So I'm going to fill this in. So continue. Contacts. I'm going to say no for now. Click past that. Not right now. I'm not going to pick any of the things here. And this is where I want to be, which is logged in. I don't care about the other stuff yet, because up at this point now I have everything that I need to then go back to the WordPress site and start figuring things out there to be able to import that important information in. Bit of information for later. Once you're logged in, if you come under Profile, go to Extras, API Keys. This is where we're going to be coming to next. So that's all for this video. Thank you for listening.